Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and print these up. String winders. I don't know if I like this one here. It's from the ham radio dude guy. And then this one a little bit better. But you could use this for something else. I don't know. There's the pulley that I printed twice. And they have all these end-fed half-wave things where I guess you put like your own ballon on them or whatever. I don't know. I'm not gonna build my own end-fed. I've already got a ballon. Let's see here. Just trying to see if there was a better string winder. They got like these kind here. These guys use them. I don't know what the hell they. Where'd it go? Yeah, I don't see it anymore. Pipe mount for Slim Jim ham radio antenna. Interesting. I like this one. A manual screwdriver controller for the older MP1 super antenna. I'm not seeing the other one anymore. Oh, where it went. There's that again. I just need something to wind up the dipole. We've got a. Oops. I clicked the wrong one. I've got an 80 meter dipole underneath the seat in my truck. Be nice to have it wound up. Let's see. Okay, so we're right where we left off. And go to 11. I thought for sure there was something in here. Yeah, I don't know. A lot of stuff I really I don't like printing it because if something goes wrong and then I'm like, oh man, come on. UV 5R dashboard clip mount. Oh, look at that. This is cool. I like this one. Maybe I'll substitute this. This looks like a better one. I just got, you know. Oh, come on. File. Open up. Okay. I don't know what that's for. Wire antenna rope tensioner. Okay. Wire antenna holder. I like the one that has like the handle where it's out of the way so you can wind it. But we'll download this one. I'll try it out and see what it says for print times. I'm basically getting ready to go to bed anyway, so you know, if it takes 8 hours to print a couple of things, they'll be hopefully done in the morning. Where'd it go? Extract all. So right now, I've been having trouble with this thing for the kid. It's a Spyro. As you can see, it's kind of, I don't know, funky. We're just gonna let it go because it's already been printing for a while. It's already been printing for an hour. That's nuts. But I also reduced the speed by 50% because it kept screwing up. So anyway, I don't know, maybe not too hot or something. Something's not quite right. But anyway. I'm just dog tired right now. It's too many late nights screwing around with all this crap. Let's see, we got that one there. And I've really got to start designing my own stuff. Also, I printed those knobs for the Heathkit Hot Water 101, and I dropped one of them and it broke. So I knew it didn't look great. Here's a dipole thing right here. That's pretty cool. I'm trying to remember if my dipole has anything special on it. I have an 80-meter dipole under the seat. It's just the wire, I think, only, actually. Wouldn't hurt me to print something like this. Maybe had a little SO239 with BNC connectors soldered to it, and I think that's what I was using. So this could be cool. Let's see. Yeah, so you put your connector right here, and looks good to me. I'd rather print that on this. So I think that's what I'll do. Let's see. I like that color for that kind of stuff. Okay. We got, what the hell is that? So much stuff. Those, like, there's lots of very practical things on here for sure. But I mean, if you don't need them, there isn't any reason to sit here and print hours and hours of stuff. Especially it could go bad. Stand for the G90. What is this? I wonder if this is by the same guy. This one here goes underneath the radio. Let me see. And then folds out. Huh. Yeah. That's pretty clever. I think that right there is very clever. And it's not using the other crap that the other guy used where they broke off. That's definitely very clever. But it would probably have a very long print time too. That's okay. You can go buy one of them other things for $60. Might be worth it if you're going to use a G90 all the time. Yeah, I like that. That's pretty cool. Definitely cool. Okay, let's see. What else are we going to look for? 2-meter Yagi. That's cool. I don't know, depending on the piece of pipe that you have to work with. Bofang. Something. Signal link USB cover. Am I missing something here? Why would you print that? Come with a really nice case to start with. And the long GoPro mount. This is another wire winder. Here's another one right here. Some of these have ungodly print times because they've like made them really, really thick, which is cool. Fan dipole mount spreader kit, which is also cool. If you're gonna put up a fan dipole, definitely cool. Come on, open up, open, open, open. W7. Okay. So anyway, I'm not seeing the other thing I wanted to do. There's this thing. So they should have re-engineered it a little bit better so it doesn't break like the original. I dropped it and it snapped. So yeah, no go. Potentiometer planetary reduction drive. I think that's pretty cool. Okay. So I'm having a lot of fiddly moments with these printers. So like that's why I'm gonna just get a smaller, more efficient, modern one that's not a clone of something. And if I have problems, then I can get parts easy. Some of these things, they're just like this one here. It's like, well, it's kind of a CR10, but which CR10 is it kind of? Well, it's kind of this one. It's also kind of that one. And it's like, okay, well, Jesus, I don't know which one. So like I ordered parts for the broken printer, which the display seems to be working okay now. There's another. This might be okay. What I want is something that doesn't take a million years to print. All right, so we got 8 hours with this one. I don't like that one. We'll delete it and we'll go add a different one. Go into here to our downloads. Let's see what we got. It seems like they're not in the right spot. Portable wire, ham radio wire winder, portable wire antenna parts. Oh geez, wire antenna holder, large or small? Let's go large. See what it is. Okay, we don't want that. Delete. Okay, we don't want that either. It will work, but combination. That one's cool. Let's see what it would take to print that. I just like how it has the handle here. You can hold it while you wind it. That's important. Good Lord. Taking ages. Okay. Let's go ahead and delete that one. We'll go see what the next one is. It's insulator. Delete. Okay. Download files. Dipole center and insulators. Apparently, you're stuck with that like that. I wanted to move them because they look like they're on top of each other. 10 hours. Jesus Christ. Okay. Delete that part. Slice. $7 hours. Alright, we're just gonna save this to the disk. Eject. And we'll go out there and print. See how this stupid thing's doing. Oh my god. Looks terrible. And of course they didn't have it ready to go, so we're gonna have to wait for it to heat. This is gonna take forever. For sure. I might as well go make myself a damn meal while I wait. Oh Lord. It's like, is this thing not heating or not? Okay. I don't even know what I set this to print at. That's the bad thing. I'm gonna hit it at 85, hotter than normal. I want it to stick. I don't want to screw around. Okay. So we got a while. I literally had enough time to go inside the house, grab a package of ground beef, and stick it in the frying pan. It still hasn't started. And that's because we're stuck at that 85. That's going to take a minute to get to. I could go ahead and lower it to where it's like, because 70 is normal print bed temperature, really. Let me get this out of here where it starts. It's not like the end of the world, but it's good to get it out of here so you're not printing over the same stripe every time. Who would have thought this kind of tape would be good for doing this, right? It's like, wow. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and change my options here. The heat bed, I'm going to pull it down to 79 so it'll start printing. I can always jack it up later. And this thing could fail anyway, so I mean, like, who cares? I don't want to sit here all night. So it's going to start printing the outline to, I don't know what. Looks like it's doing a skirt around the whole entire thing, which is absolutely annoying. I don't know what the purpose of a skirt is. Maybe just to help with certain stuff. I gotta secure that cable too because the rubber band broke. Dang, it's gonna use like almost a good portion of the print bed. Look at that, that's huge. I've never used this much of it at once. Okay, so this is what it's doing so far. We have our dipole thingy dingy. I guess. This is some really good stuff. This stuff here, yeah, it lays down pretty nice. So I guess it's gonna print that. I skipped the insulators because they can take quite a while, and I'll print them somewhere else. I'm actually probably gonna print them green anyway. So. In fact, I probably should have did the winder green. So we're gonna have this in here, and then there'll be the holder for the MC60 that one of you guys sent me. Forgive me, I can't remember your name and call sign, but it's gonna be in the middle here. That's the one you sent me. It's not exactly the MC60, but it should work, or excuse me, the MD100. It should work better than the MC60 one that I had to modify from looking at the file. So we'll give that a print. And I started to print it earlier, but it screwed up. Usually I can stand the thing like I can usually stand it like that and it'll print. This one here, I printed it like this and it didn't screw up. It came out great. I printed that one like that, and then another one I printed that way and it screwed up, and this last one screwed up being printed that way. So, alright, I'm gonna go check on my food. Geez, I wonder what speed I got this damn thing set to. Let's see, how long has it been printing? 37 minutes. So far it has been 37 minutes. So, anyway. I don't know if it maybe have it at a reduced speed. I should check. Nope. Okay, so it looks okay. Anyway, I'll check on it in the morning.